Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a weed eater that bogs really bad, and I'm going to run it really quick just to show you guys. If your weed eater sounds like this, it probably has the same problem as this one does. See how that just bogs down? The reason it bogs down really bad is this. Right on the exhaust, there's a spark arrestor in there. To get to it, we just need to take this plastic cover off. But that gets clogged with a whole bunch of carbon, and it just clogs up the exhaust so the exhaust can't exit the machine. So it causes it to run really poorly. Now the reason why spark arrestors are put in there is to prevent sparks from flying out of the engine, and companies that sell weed eaters are, I'm pretty sure, legally supposed to install them in mufflers, but really a lot of the big landscaping businesses and all that just take these out of their weed eaters and stuff because they just clog up and they have to be maintenance a lot. So now I'm going to be putting the back cover back on and just running it just with the screen out to show you guys that is mainly the problem. Runs way better now. One major thing I did off camera was them two adjustments in there. The one on the right I turned counterclockwise about quarter of a turn, and this one I barely moved counterclockwise too. There's the piston. This carburetor now looks completely brand new. So all I did was just use a little bit of WD-40 and basically a toothbrush, let's call it that. So I need to clean a couple other parts, but I'm not going to film it. And since the paint's been worn off, I might as well just repaint it red. So got a lot of oily stuff all over the weed eater, so I'm going to go ahead and clean that off really quick. Let's finally test to see if it runs right. Works awesome now. In total, everything I did to this was change the spark plug, take out the spark arrestor, and then tune the carburetor a little bit. And I did clean it a crap ton, and I cleaned out the air filter.